What's going on, everyone? We're here at Fremont Skate Park for an episode of You Make It, We Skate It, the series in which you make us a skateboard and then we skateboard on it. We're joined here with Glow. We got JD, Uzi behind the camera, and Chris is over there skating, and we're gonna open this box from Austria. Whoa! Got him! Oh, whoa. We got some snacks in here, hold up. And our note says, Dear Braille team, first of all, thanks for accepting my submission. Always wanted to participate in a You Make It, We Skate It series. My name is Benjamin, and I'm a social worker from Vienna, and apparently a big fan of your channel. As one of my favorite series, it's too bad there are no more Skate Everything Wars at the moment, though. I guess there aren't many stories left, but you haven't been shopping and looking for stuff to skate. This brings me to my creation, the IKEA Carpet Cutting Board. In dedication to an awesome series and two beloved skaters of the Braille team, there's a larger and smaller version in this box, but I think the smaller one will be super annoying to skate. Anyways, a monster flip should be possible at Uzi. I also did put in some treats made in Austria. Enjoy, hope you like the boards and have fun breaking it. Greetings from Vienna, Austria, from Benjamin. Thank you very much, Benjamin. Let's go ahead and see what snacks we got in here first. Oh, we got a whole care package!
It's goldfish.
Are these Skittles?
Look at it, it's goldfish.
No way.
What is this? They got wafers? They got Pez. I never had a Pez, actually.
Benjamin even took the liberty of putting trucks on it for us.
Oh, this looks busted. Sport gummies. All right, and finally, eggs.
Those look awesome. What is that? Is this like a pool table?
Wait, hold up. This is his first time trying one of these.
Mid.
What? Mid?
Okay, all right, I gotta be honest though, JD.
Lychee.
Part of the experience is eating the Pez with the little dispenser thing.
Milka!
Here we are.
bro.
Oh, I know, that's what I'm saying.
Look, 100% all pink.
Benjamin has crafted these.
Take some or what?
He has crafted these with passion. And you giving me the camera?
I gotta try it. It's 100%
Benjamin.
Alpen milk.
Germany?
Oh, that's hazelnut.
Benjamin, vielen Dank.
From Vienna, Austria.
Oh, I'm only speaking Deutsch. Vielen Dank.
What would you rate it?
I'll say a light 7.
A light 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Let me
say something to our boy. What kind of sick, twisted joke is this? Look at this. You can't open it.
Dan.
Alpen making.
It's some of the best chocolate. Try it.
This is that milky?
That's the best chocolate.
Hold it up. Give it a rating.
Hershey's
10.
ain't got none
10?
on that.
Try it.
10 out of 10?
Hershey's ain't got none on that.
You want one?
All right, the
Why is it
wafers.
me?
What do you rate the wafers? What do you wafe the Raiders?
I'll rate that a light.
Austrian.
No, I'll rate that medium 7.5.
7
I mean,
and a half?
not
Only
7.5.
one half?
I meant 8.5.
8.5. Okay. You do like Pez?
No. Knocken, mocken, schlagen, da. Made with bits of real cow.
The sport gummy.
There's sports, I'm down.
I'm over here with the world's best chocolate. Nobody wants to try. All right.
Wrong sport, brother. Wrong sport.
All right, and last but not least, we got the mini
Oh, I'll eat
Fritz.
those. These are potato based.
Look at
Wow.
Wow.
that. Okay, I'll try.
Say less.
They're
Dried
really
fries,
salty.
I'm buying that.
All right, what do you rate them?
A solid 7.25.
7.25.
All right, well, now that we are done with our food
review.
we are here with our IKEA skateboard with carpet.
You what?
It's an IKEA carpet skateboard.
You what?
I need a thumbnail. Where are you going?
Hey, Nigel! Nigel, is that McDonald's?
It's a hamburger, you silly goose.
No, it's not. There's no ham on it, liar.
Yeah, why is that?
Who wants to do the honors?
Okay, Uzi can.
What? Why?
Man, you said the honors.
Straight primo?
Oh. Wait.
Whoa,
If
come
I
on.
land it first try, you gotta give me an adult Happy Meal.
And if you don't land it, you owe me an adult Happy Meal.
Oh, really? You're gonna go for it? You never even skate that thing. Think about it. You will then.
Okay, fine.
Oh!
You just got finessed.
No!
Has to redo.
Rebate. Yeah, that's true.
Did he ever send you that $5 from Woodward?
No.
The Gundam shoes and you ran up, he's like, bet $5 you couldn't do it? He owes me $1 too.
Where's he going?
I want to grind this thing right here.
We got the best trucks in history, all right?
Big slam.
I honestly don't know how that
He lost his magic.
Let me run that back. Watch, you'll see. It's not even possible.
I don't know. Cause
You definitely locked on truck right there, and that was buttery.
Heck no, I'm just gonna hard flip it.
no.
Chris has met his match.
You should have just done the 50-50. It fell anyway.
No, it's not.
You're at overboard 2, Chris 0 right now.
No.
You got to get your revenge. You're already too
I
far
can't.
deep.
It's not. Watch. Go put the trucks on the 50
No,
and see.
no. Trust
No,
me.
no. Trust me.
Trust me.
Oh!
Oh!
What's that?
Varial.
JD is a professional. Come on.
Focus!
I'm trying.
Stop messing around!
Y'all are funny, dude. Y'all are super funny.
You're
Why is that like easy
dude,
to pop?
you're so washed.
What a
Imagine
bum.
his career
The
is
man
over.
behind the camera saying I'm washed.
Dang.
Okay.
At least I got
Okay.
ankles that work.
Oh, I got, no, you don't.
It's one of those days, I guess, huh?
Game a skate right now.
I'll
Oh, let's
smoke
see
you.
it. Ah!
Chris!
I'm washed
Man!
Yeah, suck it.
Chris isn't a McNugget anymore.
Professional.
Chris ain't even a chicken McNugget. He's a Burger King nugget now.
Are those even good?
No. All right, JD, what you want to do?
I don't know.
You got to drop in? Oh, you have the board. Oh, hit the monster flip.
Nah.
Hey, no, on the note,
gotta
he
be
said
easy on
monster
my
flip.
knee.
You
I-
got to that is easy on your
I could
knee.
try
It's
switch.
a monster flip.
I can try switch.
You got it.
That is not easy. That's
Yeah,
straight jumping
just try
off
one.
my
If
knee.
it hurts, don't do it.
Nah, switch.
Come on, for Benjamin, he gave you all those delicious treats.
That's all I got. My knee's not all the way better, so I'm not doing it. But
Come on, baby.
oh, okay.
Come on!
All right.
My calculations are saying this is not feasible.
What? Can I get an instant replay of you
I
saying
don't think it's possible. Okay.
that 1000% counts?
He said it was hard.
Second try. Yeah! All right, JD, you got to drop in? Not over there. You didn't even drop in on anything smaller yet. Don't be a hero. Nah. Warm up. Woo!
Oh yeah, he could just do anything.
Go ahead, Jones. Show me how easy it is.
Stop testing me. I'm the one. I got it all. Don't test me
If
anymore.
you keep talking to me like
Don't
that,
test me
bro,
anymore.
I'm gonna give you a kiss on the cheek.
You
and
know,
you're gonna like it.
what? I might marry you then.
Whoa, JD, we are not supposed to be skating on regular boards at the skate park. Get out of here.
How does it feel? Oh, that's crazy, dude.
Oh!
I think you zigged when you probably should have zagged.
He almost carved your corners, brother. Do you know what this board even is?
No idea. Not a single bit.
It's an IKEA carpet board.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean it's an IKEA carpet board?
He made it out of IKEA carpet.
Oh yeah, there's a surfer, bro. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so pitted, bro. So pitted. Thing is made out of IKEA carpet or just the bottom part?
The whole thing.
Huh.
Look.
Oh yeah, he's got in. He's right in there. Oh yeah, he knows manual. Break the switch, sir. Break the switch.
Oh!
Hey,
That was very
good
nice.
end. That was a good way to end
That was really nice.
That was fun. I'm done.
All right, JD, what you got on it? Blunt
Check this.
fakie?
No.
Whoa!
Dang, you all happy meal.
Wow. He must have had some IKEA meatballs for breakfast.
I think so, brother. Look at him. You got a little Jeff Gordon.
Firing up the V8.
Uzi, have you ever tried IKEA meatballs and mashed potatoes?
No, I'm not trying to eat at a furniture store.
Bro, they're delicious.
No.
Oh!
That wasn't even a dolphin dough.
Can you teach me Hawaiian?
Oh, you missed
Caught
it!
that. No, I caught it, but barely.
That was perfect!
No, I did
I'll
miss
do
it.
it again.
Dude! Uzi is digging himself a grave right now.
What are the odds you send this down the 5-stair?
1 in 4,000.
Alright,
3, 2, 1, 3,261.
That was a little close. I don't know about that one. That was rigged.
Better not fall. Woo! Almost fell.
Let's go back. Oh my god, I'm so
Oh!
close. Lo siento.
That was radical.
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 Well done.
We want to give a huge thanks to Benjamin for making this skateboard. A lot of times we break them, but today, I don't know, I just feel like this needs to go be celebrated and hung on the wall at the Braille house. The video's right there, go ahead and check them out, subscribe, like, leave those comments below. And if you have a You Make It, We Skate It that you want to send in to us, go ahead and email us right here, skate@brailleskateboarding.com.